Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening guys. So tara let's go. Andito naman tayo sa ating mini vlog. So ngayon pupunta tayo sa pastry section. So yan guys, pinapakita ko yung ating finished product ng ating mga sweets. So meron tayong butter croissant, meron tayong Danish roll, meron tayong chocolate croissant. So yan guys, yan na yung ating ina-arrange natin para isasalang natin sa ating oven. So yan guys, ina-arrange ko kasi bawal magdikit-dikit, kasi pag magdikit-dikit siya pangit yung resulta. So yan guys, ina-arrange ko na habang yun ang nililinya ko. So yan guys, yung pa lang sa yung sa pastry section natin guys, is meron tayong butter croissants, cinnamon roll, chocolate croissants, cheese croissants, tsaka marami pang iba. So yan guys, yan yung ngayon is nilagyan ko yan ng za'atar croissant guys, is kasi maraming tayo Arabic na guest, so binibigyan din natin ng za'atar croissant. Minsan naman guys is cheese croissants. So yan guys, yan na yung isasalang natin sa ating oven. So yung oven po natin guys is same pa rin, 170 degrees, 17 minutes at 3 sprays. So yan guys, maya maya maluluto na yan. So yan guys, after a few minutes later naluto na. So yan guys, ginawa ko na after 17 minutes. So yan guys, yan yung ating finished product. So maraming salamat guys sa panonood. Now I follow, share, and like my videos. Bye bye.